Hello everyone, this is our hackathon project. So we have made a fully decentralized freelance platform on Blockdeck. I'm using the SDK of Blockdeck. Okay, so let's come to the point. Let's talk about the feature of this project. So first feature is you can manage professional identity on chain. As you can see here, there are two options. One is being a client and one is being a freelancer. So you can join as a client or you can join as a freelancer or you can join as a both. Okay. So let me create a profile and show you how it works. Let me join as a freelancer first. Okay. I'm joining as a freelancer here as you can see. Let me fill this and I will come back to you again. As you can see here, I have filled this form and now I can join as a freelancer. Let's click on this. MetaMask pops out and I'll join as a freelancer from this account. Yes, as you can see here, I now have the dashboard of a freelancer. Let's go to dashboard. Here I can search projects. I have by categories also, by budget also. Here I can see the assigned projects. Okay, which I was assigned. Right now there are no projects because I have not posted any projects here. Let me create a client account again. Let's disconnect this and let's connect wallet. Let's connect MetaMask. Let's connect account number 3. Oh, I already registered through this. Let me disconnect this. I is registered as a freelancer here. So I have to use account number 2, I guess. Connect. So I'm not registered here as you can see. So I'll join as a client here. So this is the form. Let me fill this out and I'll come back to you again. As you can see, I fill this form out. So let's join as a client. MetaMask pops out again. Let's confirm the transaction. Yes. As you can see, I now have the client dashboard. From here, I can make my projects. Like I can give a project to be done by a freelancer. Let's create a project here. Let's create one. So this is the form that I have to fill out. Let me fill this out and I will come back to you again. So as you can see, I fill this one out. And another feature of this product is you can add milestones. Like you can give a freelancer milestones to complete, and after completing one milestone, the payment will get automatically transferred to the freelancer. So let me give one milestone here, like make the front end. For this, you will get one Ethereum, and to be done by the data will be tomorrow. Okay, let's add another milestone. This will be make the backend. One Ethereum for this also, and this. This will be after 1 day. Okay, let's add another milestone like for deploying. Let's add this deploy it, and for this you will get two Ethereum. This will be on 10th September. So as you can see, the total cost of this is 1 minute, two. Yes. So as you can see, the total cost of this is 4 Ethereum, and I am taking a platform fee here that is 3% because if you are deploying a smart contract or you are building a product, you should also get some profit. So that is why I've implemented 3% platform fee. So as you can see, you have to first give all of your funds to the smart contract. So, so that whenever a freelancer completes a milestone, the payment will get automatically transferred from the smart contract to the freelancer's account. Let's create the project here. MetaMask will pop out again. Confirm this. Let's go back home and come to the client dashboard again. As you can see here, project is here. Okay, my project is here. As I can create another project also. Let's go back to the freelancer account. back home, disconnect, connect wallet, MetaMask. This will be account number 3. So let's go to the Freelance dashboard. As you can see, this one is here that I've uploaded from my client account. You can search based on these all categories and budget range and title, description, or skills. So you can apply to the client that you can do that. Like you can write a proposal. Let me fill this out and come back to you again. As you can see, I have filled this out. I just wrote I can do this because this is for testing purpose. So let's submit the application. I have to confirm here first. The confirm. And I've applied. So let's come back to the client account again. And I have to approve it so that the freelancer can work on this. From edit account to, oh yes, yes. I have to go to the account number 2. So I'm a client at this account. I can see one application is there. I have to click on it. That who applied on it, if this will show. Just wait for some time. Sometime it will take some time. Yes, I can see the application here. I can assign a freelancer here. Let's assign this freelancer. Windows pops out and I have to click the confirm here. Let's come back home and see from the freelancer account that what will show here. Let's go to the account number 3 again. Okay, correct. Let's go to freelancer's dashboard. As you can see, no projects are available because the project was assigned to me. And at this tab, my projects, I can see it. I can see the milestones here also. Like what is the milestone? And from this, I can submit the work that I've done. So this is the milestones first. Okay. These are the milestones that I put here. As you can see, make the front end, make the back end, deploy it. Let's submit work. I can give a GitHub repo URL here also. Let's give one. Let's give one thing, like anything. HTTPS, HTTP. Let me fill this out and come back to you again. As you can see, I've just put a link, the github.com. Let's submit the milestone. Submit, confirm. This is showing awaiting client approval. Let's come back to the client account and approve the whole thing. Please connect it, connect wallet, MetaMask. Come back to the oh, okay. This is the account. My client account is here. To the client dashboard. As you can see, friends are assigned. I can see the milestones here. Let's click on it. This takes some time, sometimes. Okay, you can see the submitted work. You can check it out here. This is the link, and I can approve here. Approve and pay, confirm approval. Okay. So the fund will be transferred to the freelancer. As you can see here, approved and payment sent. So these are all the features of my project. So thank you all for listening to me for this long and thank you for your time and bye.